Some of the stages that you'll need to contend with, the very first one, is that you have to check the eligibility requirements to make sure that you meet them. Otherwise, they won't even take your application. There is an application process, generally an online form. You'll have to do some type of academic exam or an equivalent. There's a fitness standard that you'll need to reach. There's a medical assessment, psychological testing, as well as generally a selection panel interview. Now, depending on the state or territory that you're applying for, some of these stages may be in different orders, but as you're negotiating each of these stages, you'll be accumulating scores along the way, and those scores will help the recruiting people rank you against other applicants. Now, we've already discussed how important that final score is based on that ladder, the order of merit, the yo-yo list that we discussed earlier. So there's an overview. The next stage now is for you to download the free action list or checklist. You'll find somewhere around this video if you don't already have it. And I hope that you find it really helpful. Go through that and account for each one of those things so that you're not only prepared to pass each of these stages of the testing process, but you've also got all of the background stuff that they're assessing as well squared away, so that holistically, not just the scores that you achieve for these different stages, but holistically, you're ranked very high compared to other applicants. All right, and of course, I hope you enjoyed the information. Thanks for spending some time with me. Naturally, if you need some help with your journey, we're right here. You can always reach out and make contact. But either way, good luck with your application. I wish you all the best with your endeavour to become a police officer.